What is up to all my real ones back on the channel? It's your boy Lex Money. I think the pain is coming to an end very, very soonish, guys. Now, before we do start, let me know in the comments right now who has been buying anything. Has anybody been buying Bitcoin? Have you been buying ETH? Have you been buying any of your other top projects? Have you been DCAing in? Or are you waiting for lower? I'd be interested to know what you guys' game plan actually is. Now, I'm going to show you why I'm going to be waiting to hopefully snag some more altcoins, maybe like 10 to 15% lower than where we are today. But to be honest, prices are not looking too bad. Solana nearly at $100, not bad. ETH anywhere under 2K, like I said, not bad. Then some of the other top coins are like really, really low. I can't even believe like things like AVAX at this low. Chainlink, right? Super undervalued. Doesn't make sense. So to be honest, if you guys believe the bull run's on and you believe that we're going to continue to make new highs, then I don't think you really need to be going into the low cap shitters on like page, I don't fucking know, 107, right? You can probably stick to like the first couple of pages, pick up some decent projects like Ondo under $1. You know, no brainers, to be honest. Now, yesterday was a bit of a nothing burger, to be honest, with the rate cuts. But was it really? No, I do think that we're actually going to start to price in more rate cuts coming into May. Okay, so while March may still, you know, not be what we would have all wanted, I do think that Trump is making a controlled demolition of the stock market. 25% basis points decrease was 4% yesterday, and then after the meeting it's gone down to 1%. So I don't know who uses poly market. I used it today actually, and I bet that Bitcoin would be underneath 83k. Now we're up 200% on that, so that's not too bad. Now I'm going to go straight into my trading view in a second, guys, but if you have a look at this, if you do believe in the RSI Bollinger Band percentage phases, and you do believe that, right, we have been tracking this to a T this entire cycle the same way that we have over the past 3 cycles, then you would see we're missing one last point, and that's going to be 0.5, which is actually the cycle top. So you can see here we had the bear market breakout bottom in green. Let me just zoom in a little bit there so you guys can see it. We had the bear market breakout bottom in green. You had the first cycle breakdown recovery. Okay, so that was that recovery. Then you had the second early top, which was the early break of the all-time high. 6-month consolidation, all-time high break, boom, another consolidation, cycle top. Okay, so yeah, the cycle is going to look slightly different each cycle. They're not going to be exactly the same, but look at the current position, guys. Okay, between 4 and 5, looks like we're starting to have some reversal at critically low Bollinger Band percentage levels in March. And in 2017, which everyone likes to compare it to, it was in March that we formed that bottom as well. Now, just a quick reminder that they're going to put whatever news they want in front of your face, guys. Okay, so super cycle. Who is here for the super cycle right at the top of the 2021 bull run, right? And we all thought this thing was going to 100k. It didn't, just had a slightly higher double top. Never going in the bear market. We actually entered the bear market for a year. Right at that bottom at the year mark, we had the FTX collapse. Everyone said that crypto is never coming back because it's too big of an exchange to go down, even though we still had other tier 1 exchanges still doing well, like crypto.com, Binance, Coinbase, right? Mexi was on the up. We then had this entire Bitcoin bull run. In this consolidation, everybody was like, right, Germans are selling their Bitcoin. Okay, if the Germans are selling Bitcoin, it must be over. Mt. Gox FUD. World War III is happening. The US government now selling their crypto into this consolidation, similar to what the Germans were doing in this consolidation. And now right at the bottom, similar to where we had the World War III FUD, we've now got the tariff FUD, which is kind of similar but different. I mean, it's a trade war, it's not World War III, nothing is serious. But we're having the trade war / tariffs FUD all the way down here at the lows when sentiments are at extremes. You guys let me know if you believe in the whole blood moon thing. I don't know if I do, to be honest, but it looks like every time there's a blood moon, we have a sell-off. That's what we're having today. Ethereum is still tracking my target of between 1,600 and 1,300. So if we come all the way down here and then I'm making videos saying, hey guys, don't worry about it, I'm saying it because we've planned ahead of time, right? So even though people were getting excited into this stupid little green candle here, we still can expect downside. We still haven't had a touch on this descending support. Hopefully it is support, right? 1618 target at 1300. By that time, everyone's gonna fully be convinced that the bull market's over. But ETH Bitcoin is not looking good at the moment. However, if you do just want to look at alts, again, we got our bottoming zone in this little green zone here. However, now the 100 MA is actually lining up with the bottom area of the channel. I actually drew a circle like 3 videos ago. So if we do have like another capitulation down, I'm not going to say the last capitulation, I'm going to say another capitulation down, which from where we are now is going to be 15%. That's going to be in line with number 1, the 100 MA support, number 2, the lower area of the channel support, number 3, a breakdown of the 0.5 to 1618 zone of bottoming, right? So we could just have a sweep of the lows and then we go again. But right now, guys, what I'm doing for my altcoin bags is I am waiting to be picking up some more. Not panicking, chilling, still in my Bitcoin long from 80k. My stop is like somewhere down here. If I do get stopped out, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter another one a little bit lower, okay, and have stops lower than that. The members club already know what my 2 long zones are. If you want to know what the long zones are, you can enter the members club, guys. Only 25 squids or $25, not too much. But for now, I mean, we just have to let the market do its thing, guys. I'm not even really paying attention to the market that much until the end of March, okay, until we get that decision. Is it next week? I think it's on the 19th. We get another decision. Okay, if you lot believe in the global M2, some people do, some people don't, then that would mean we're due for a breakout around the 25th of March. So really, a lot of the catalyst events are coming at the end of March. Okay, so in this next 2 weeks, whether there's volatility to the upside, to the downside, I'm going to be ignoring it, making my decisions in a couple of weeks. You guys let me know what your plan is. That's it, peeps. Let me know how you feel. Let me know what your plan is for the market. If you made it this far, you found anything useful, click that subscribe button. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Peace.